Hey guys, I'm back. I have no eyebrows. Well, no, they're there. I just covered them up. So for this look, what I'm going to do is take the black eyeliner and I'm going to draw on me some eyebrows. And you know how it's eyebrows is kind of like, you know, all curvy and stuff. Demonic eyebrows. And I've already put in my contacts, as you can see. And now I'm just drawing some deformation in my forehead to make it stand out a little. Now I'm going to take my color foundation and I'm going to apply that on my skin. Kind of trying to do it like in between what I had drawn. I didn't think about it. Like I said, when I did this video, I kind of was just doing it offhand. I didn't really have no direction, but I'm just going with the flow. So yeah, I'm just going to keep on putting that foundation on. And now I'm going to take my concealer and toffee, and I'm going to apply that up under the eyebrows that I drew on to kind of, you know, give them a little definition to make them stand out a little. Make it clean. Clean up those brows, girl. I'm going to do the other eye like that as well. And then I'm just going to take that black eyeliner and I'm going to write some more like wrinkles in my face. Draw some more wrinkles in my face. And I don't know, and I'm getting all off track here, but using the glue to put down your eyebrows is kind of like pointless because I can still kind of see some of my eyebrows peeking from it. But anyway, so now what I'm going to do is blend out those lines that I drew on my forehead. I'm just going to blend those out. Now I'm going to take the brown eyeliner and I'm drawing up under those first lines that I did, that I blended out some. And I'm putting the brown eyeliner there to give it, to kind of fade it into that. So I'm just going to keep on doing that. And now I'm just going to blend it out. Blend, blend, blend. When in doubt, just blend. So, it's not even Halloween yet, and I still don't know what I really want to be for Halloween. Because I've been doing so many different Halloween looks. Just going to keep on blending. Now I'm taking a white eyeliner and I'm going up under the brown that I had drew. Just to make them look like they're kind of raised a little bit. That's where that shadowing come into key. And I'm pretty much going to do the same thing that I did with the brown and the eyeliner and just blend it out. And just keep on blending. Now I'm going to take some black eyeshadow and I'm just going to apply that on my eyes. And I'm going to do that over top and around the bottom. And I'm going to take a black eyeliner and I'm going to get closer to my eye. Well, you know, that's what it's for. Of course, you can use your eyeliner for different things. You see, I've just been playing with all different types of eyeliners. But this time I'm going to use it for what it's meant to be used for. I'm just outlining my eyes with that black eye pencil. And now I'm just going to take some toilet tissue that I rolled together and that latex that I have purchased from Walmart. And I'm just going to apply that on my eyes. Well, up under my eyes. Don't want to put it in your eyes because I'm pretty sure that kind of would be not so good. But yeah, as you see there, it's kind of unfolding a little bit, so I just had to just take it, you know. Just take it. There I go making them faces again. I don't know why, but I always make faces every time I do my makeup. I don't know why I do it. I'm sure it's just, I'm sure I'm not the only person that do it. It is what it is. And now what I'm going to do is put some of that latex over the tissue paper that I had applied. And I'm just going to coat that real good. I'm not sure how many coats of it I did, but I did coat it real good so that it can kind of soak up that toilet tissue paper. Now I'm just going to put the top piece on. And I'm just doing the same thing that I did with the lower piece. I got the toilet tissue paper, rolled it real tight, like twisted, rolled it, and just apply it onto the latex. And as you see right there, that kind of is a little too much toilet tissue paper, but we're going to cut that, so no worries. And as you see right here, I'm getting the scissors so that I can cut that piece off because I'm not using it. And as you see here, I've already did the other side. I did that off of camera because you already see me do one side. So it's pretty much the same thing I did on the other side. And I'm just going to coat it with the latex. And I'm coming back at you guys because I've already cut the toilet tissue paper. I think I kind of nicked myself a little bit too. So whenever you're doing that, you want to be careful. But what I've done is I've already applied some foundation to the latex. But you want to try to get it, you know, blended in with your skin. And now I'm taking the Injury Stacks palette that I had purchased. And I'm putting the burgundy, the like dark burgundy around it, around the cut to make it look, you know, bruised. And this, I would say, is, y'all know, it's my favorite part when you're giving definition to something that you just created on your face. So I'm just going to apply that all around. I'm going to do it on the other side as well. Now I'm taking the red from that Injury Stacks palette and I'm putting that inside of that cut. And I'm just going to put that all in the cut. It's already starting to look a little nasty. And I'm just going to keep on doing that. until I get it as red as I like it. Now I'm gonna go, you see me here, I'm doing the top part, and I'm doing the same thing that I did to the side earlier, which is just putting the red inside of the cut, inside of the wound. Now I'm going to take some black and I'm going to add some black inside of that wound as well. Giving it a little dip. And I'm just going to do that with the two on the top as well. And I mean, it's no right or wrong here when you're doing it. I mean, you're going to mess up. But it's supposed to look messy. It's not supposed to be like, you know, all neat. It's a cut, for God's sake. So now from that injury palette, I'm taking the bright pink color that was in that palette and I'm placing it in certain areas around the wound and inside of the wound. And I'm going to do that to all of the open wounds. Just only putting it in certain spots. It's no right or no wrong. Now I'm going to take some of my scar blood and I'm going to place that inside of that wound now. And just putting it in certain spots, in certain areas. And we can't forget about the two slashes up above the eye. I'm going to add some of that scar blood inside of there as well. And that little spatula is pretty neat. I mean, because you can really get inside of the cuts. Now I'm just applying on some red lipstick. I really don't like red lipstick. I don't like it at all. Hey, to each his own. Some people can wear it. I just don't like red lipstick. But in this case, it works. And I almost had forgot about my nose. So what I did was I put some latex on the top of my nose. And then I got a cotton ball and tore it up. And right here I am just putting some powder on to that latex that I applied there with the cotton ball, just to kind of tone it down some. And I'm going to take the red from the injury palette stacks and I'm going to apply that on top of the nose. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And this is what I got in the end.